As I took my first step into HPMT as a Business Data Analyst intern in September 2023, I felt nervous since I didn't know what my role would be within the company or the department. However, the friendly and supportive environment made me feel welcome and eager to learn. HPMT provided numerous opportunities for interns like me. I learned to gather data from various sources and apply statistical methods and data analysis technique to identify trends, patterns, and correlation within the data. These skills were put to test when collaborating with cross-functional teams to address any challenges, where I applied my data analyst expertise to provide valuable insights and solutions. After completing my internship, I was thrilled to receive the opportunity to transition into a full-time role in January 2024. My internship experience has equipped me with technical skills and instilled in me the ability to effectively communicate and collaborate with colleagues across different departments. Being valued and fully utilizing my internship skills in my full-time role is rewarding. My journey from intern to full-time business data analyst at HPMT is just the beginning, and I'm excited for the opportunities for further learning and advancement that lie ahead.